The Aula F87 Pro mechanical keyboard presents itself as a comprehensive solution for discerning users seeking a premium typing experience. From its robust build to its versatile connectivity, this keyboard aims to deliver a refined and adaptable performance suitable for a wide range of applications. At its core, the Aula F87 Pro distinguishes itself with tri-mode wireless connectivity, offering seamless switching between 2.4G, USB, and Bluetooth connections. This flexibility ensures compatibility across multiple devices, while the mechanical switches deliver the responsive and tactile feedback characteristic of high-performance keyboards. The 87-key layout strikes an optimal balance, providing essential functionality in a more compact form factor. Further enhancing the user experience are the durable PVT keycaps and vibrant RGB backlighting, which allows for both aesthetic customization and improved visibility. A key differentiator is the gasket-mounted design, paired with a 5-layer silencing system, which collectively work to provide a remarkably quiet and consistent typing sound profile, significantly reducing common acoustic distractions. This meticulous engineering, combined with full-key no-impact registration, ensures every keystroke is accurately captured, even during the most rapid input. In practical use, the keyboard's tri-mode connectivity makes it an ideal choice for multi-device workstations, effortlessly transitioning between a desktop, laptop, or tablet. The precise and reliable input, supported by full-key no-impact technology, is invaluable for demanding tasks such as programming or competitive gaming, where accuracy is paramount. For those in shared office environments, the advanced silencing features and gasket mount design contribute to a more unobtrusive typing experience. Its compact 87-key layout also makes it suitable for setups where desk space is a consideration, without sacrificing critical functionality. Regarding its design and usability, the Aula F87 Pro prioritizes both aesthetics and functionality. The durable PVT keycaps are known for their resistance to shine and wear over time, maintaining a premium look and feel. The integrated RGB lighting offers both personal flair and practical utility in low-light conditions. The underlying gasket mount and extensive silencing layers speak to a thoughtful internal design, focused on delivering a consistent and comfortable typing sensation over extended periods. This commitment to a refined typing feel, coupled with robust connectivity options, underscores its reliability as a primary input device. Overall, the Aula F87 Pro mechanical keyboard stands out as a highly capable and versatile peripheral. It successfully combines advanced connectivity with a meticulously engineered typing experience, characterized by its responsive mechanical switches, acoustic dampening, and durable components. For users seeking a sophisticated and adaptable keyboard that performs across diverse environments and use cases, this model offers a compelling and well-rounded solution.